Everyone is happier when they're being a contribution, and I've created a way to leave a lasting impression in less than a minute with free love notes. And I invite you to join our movement and spread the love on Valentine's Day or any day. My name is Lynn Kirkham, and I've been giving love notes for over 15 years in my public speaking classes, where even the shyest, most quiet people find their voices because they're being seen. I carry cutout hearts in my purse, and I'll give one to a cashier, or if someone is on a street corner and they look like they could use a little boost. They work like absolute magic every single time I give them. And what it does is it helps people reconnect with their value. And when they connect with their value, it lights them up. They're so grateful that my heart expands with even more love. And people who receive them say things like, "Oh my goodness, you have no idea how much I needed this today." Or, "I'm going to run home and put this on my refrigerator so I see it every day." Or, "I don't know why I came here. I was just guided to be here today. I've never been here before, but now I know." They end up giving me a big hug and their eyes will tear up. And it's just the most beautiful thing. The deepest need we have as humans is to be seen and valued. And unfortunately, we're just not getting enough of that these days. So here's how to do it. It's really simple. You just get construction paper or copy paper, and you fold. Here, I made some hearts on this one, like that. But you just fold it a soft fold. And at the crease, you simply cut out half a heart and you open it up, and voila, there's a full heart. Out of an 11-inch, it's not a very good one. Out of an 11-inch paper, you'll get 4 hearts on each side. So a total of 8 hearts. So there are two more here. And so it's really easy and it's fast, and you can use construction paper like I have here, or you can just use copy paper, whatever feels easy for you. It doesn't really matter. What matters is the fact that you're doing it. And when I cut them out, I typically put several sheets together just so I can cut more hearts out at once. Now, you want to create, if you can, and if you can't, that's okay too. You could just go to a coffee shop or stand on a corner with some hearts and give them out, right? If you want to be formal about it, you can create a sign like this that says free love notes. Okay, so free love notes. And then around the sign, I've got love notes that I've created: compassionate, happy, loving, big heart, captivating, giving, empathetic, authentic, kind, trustworthy, friendly, intelligent. And I got the sheet of paper or the poster board at the dollar store, and these little hearts I got at the dollar store, and you can get the construction paper there. So let's just say it's not a big investment. And that's it. So now, how do you do it? Well, you go outside and you either with I would recommend 2 other friends if you can. If not, go with one other friend. If you can't do that, go by yourself. It's okay, however you want to do it. Um, it's kind of fun when you do it together. So one person can hold the sign and connect with people passing by and just saying, "Hey, would you like a free love note?" And there's some people that'll get it right away, and then others will look at you kind of confused, and that's okay. A lot of them are a little confused because who does this? And then you say, "It'll take less than a minute, and I promise it'll make your day." And they'll say, "Okay." And then if the one who's holding the sign is the one directing traffic, they would then just say, hey, you're going to be with Lynn right over there. And she's just going to be with you and look into your eyes for about 20 seconds. And during that time, she'll see three qualities that are really special about you that you need to know. And she'll write these qualities on a heart and she'll read them to you, and then it's yours to keep. That's it. And most people say, well, great. Okay. And then, yeah, and most people say great. And then, there are times when, because the energy gets so big, there might be a group of people coming together, um, that you're not going to have one person holding the sign. Everybody's going to be giving love notes. So, and that's what you want to do. You want to kind of do it together. If there's a group of people, you want to do all 3 or 4 of them at a time, so that they all get that juice at the same time. And then what's really cool is that afterwards they compare love notes, and almost always they say, yes, 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 that's so right. I see that in you. Absolutely, positively. So it's just a real beautiful confirmation of the acknowledgement that they get. Um, if you can, do your best to have one person capture the smiles and the tears and the hugs with short video clips and photos. And I love it the most when they read their love note back. So you give it to them, and they read it and say, I am trustworthy, friendly, and loving. Wow. Thank you. And this way, when they read it, they can embody it more easily. And you might be wondering, it's like, how do I find the right qualities to write on this heart? You know what? I've never done this before. Well, for those of you who believe in a higher power, just ask that you're spoken through. And otherwise, just trust. Just trust that your commitment to finding the qualities that are beautiful in them is all that matters, and having faith that you will have those words. So when you're in front of someone, you look into their eyes and you ask yourself, you ask your heart, what qualities do I see in him or her that are special? And then you trust and you wait with your eyes open, looking into their eyes and just breathing and allowing the words to drop. They'll drop into your heart and you're going to feel it. And when they do, you smile, you nod your head, and you begin writing. Now, let's say you just get 2 of the 3. You just get 2. Start writing and trust. And usually, by the time you finish the second word, the third one just comes through your pen, which is great. Just stay committed to serving this beautiful human that's in front of you and trusting that the words will come to you. So it's super important to read the 3 qualities to them while looking into their eyes, and say them with a short pause between each word so they can take them in. Now, after you do this, you turn the heart around so they see it face up, and you hand it to them with a big smile. And they'll smile and they'll likely hug you and tell you how deeply impacted they are from your words. And then say, I'm giving you 2 blank hearts. And the only thing I ask is that you pay it forward today. Will you be able to do that? And now say, we want to spread this around the world. May I take a picture or a short video of you and your love note? And if they say yes, which most do, go ahead and ask them to read their love note. And then if not, if they don't want to do that, then just see if you can get them smiling with their love note, or a big hug with the person who gave it to them. And then you post the videos and the photos to hashtag free love notes and tag me. So at Lynn Kirkham, LYNNKIRKHAM_. That's it. It might feel like you're stepping out of your comfort zone, but when you do it, it will be life-changing for both you and those you get to meet. And to get in the love note groove before you start, practice giving your friends love notes, and that will help your heart to open. Thank you for being a beacon of light in the world, because the world needs you now. Sending you so much love. You are courageous, open-hearted, and extraordinary.